In today's video, we'll look at a cryptocurrency that has yet to become famous and has one of the most appealing use cases that any crypto project can have. This exciting cryptocurrency could become one of the best crypto projects in the future. So let's deep dive into the history of XDC. What is XDC? XDC is an abbreviation that represents Xinfin digital contract. The project presents itself as a decentralized, open-source blockchain platform with a solid and loyal community of stakeholders and investors. The year 2017, otherwise known as the year of the boom, saw many projects emerge in the crypto space. A number of them lacked any value or use cases, but then a few of them, like XDC, stood out from the rest of the crop of crypto projects that existed at any time. Xinfin is the name of the Singapore-based agency that designed the XDC project. Xinfin was a firm that specialized in using blockchain technology to create unique digital projects and a host of financial services. This company was founded in 2017 as well, and with it came the exciting XDC cryptocurrency. XinFin's mission purpose. The company aims to form a coordinated bridge between the established centralized financial system and the fast-growing digital finance economy, DeFi. The digital economy may not necessarily have to cancel the best attributes of the traditional finance system. Still, there could be a way to leverage its critical features through a decentralized and community-driven platform that can be used for various financial and trade-related applications. To this end, XFin created a blockchain that takes the best of the proof-of-work POW and proof-of-stake POS consensus algorithms and merges it into a single practical system that can carry the full extent of the financial system they envisioned. Part of the perks this system will bring to the traditional finance includes the benefits of faster and more efficient transactions and increased security. But that's not all. They have designed several blockchain-based applications and services to make it all possible. For instance, XinFin launched a new platform called TradeFinX. TradeFinX is a decentralized B2B platform where businesses can interact and perform several financial transactions directly without having involvement of a centralized authority or a bank. Every operation between each side of the trade is coordinated by a smart contract with all the terms agreed upon between the two businesses. We also have Chain Guardian, a platform designed to help small businesses solve the common problems associated with their supply chain and help them to bring consistency to their production process and eventual distribution of goods and services via an organized logistics system. XinFin has spread its wings by partnering with several major companies and organizations via its integrated services with TradeFinX and Chain Guardian to contribute to the growth of the businesses that use its services. These partnerships will increase the rate of adoption and the usage of XDC in more real-life use cases as it was designed to function, thereby bringing the company closer to achieving its vision for the financial sector. The innovation of XinFin is hard to doubt, and their focus on blockchain technology to create a convenient solution like XDC says a lot about how promising the project is in the crypto space. How XDC works. One of the things that aid XDC's application is its ingenious use of a hybrid consensus mechanism, which compromises the best aspects of the POW and POS algorithms. The POW consensus mechanism allows miners to compete to solve complex mathematical puzzles, called hashes, in a bid to validate transactions and store them permanently on the blockchain. This process is known as mining, and it's common to projects like Bitcoin and formerly Ethereum, which now operate on the proof-of-stake consensus. The Achilles heel of the POW consensus is that it requires large amounts of energy and expensive graphic processing units to work. It also has thousands of miners scrambling to solve one cryptographic puzzle at once, and only one person is guaranteed to solve it and get the rewards. On the other hand, proof-of-stake doesn't need as much computational power as PW requires, nor do you need much electricity to participate. POS stakeholders are called validators. Users can become validators by locking up a substantial amount of a token like XDC, which is allocated to a staking pool. Everyone in the pool takes turns validating transactions and then adds each block to the blockchain. This is a process known as forging. So XDC's hybrid consensus technically has a combination of both POW and POS. Its algorithm shares the responsibility of governance between the two consensus types. Some transactions get validated through POW mining, while another portion is executed through POS forging. This is how the system keeps secure and more efficient while exhibiting greater decentralization and speed. Validators are elected randomly on the XDC network for POS and POW operation with a third algorithm known as Proof of Elapsed Time, or POET. This consensus is custom-made on Intel SGX to aid the random selection of validators to work on keeping the network as decentralized as possible. With POET, every validator has a fair chance of getting chosen to validate transactions without considering the amount of computing power they possess. The hybrid consensus helps the network to find the perfect balance between security, speed, and decentralization, which can be beneficial for its real-world use case in the financial world. XDC's latest updates. The XDC Foundation has continually revealed great and impressive projects that will further establish XDC as the best enterprise-grade project. They want to involve the government in implementing blockchain technology in global trade finance. They have also launched the XDC wallet along with the mainnet XDC01, which validators can connect to a decentralized app called Apothem, which allows users to stake XDC to participate in the decision-making process on the network. This is the on-chain voting system launched for the network and is characteristic of their devotion to seeing XDC become a truly decentralized network. We're also awaiting the main introduction of the XDC application to the financial aspect of the Web3 ecosystem. These developments are considered stepping stones to increasing the adoption rate of the XDC network. How to use XDC Crypto. XDC's native cryptocurrency bears the same name as it does and has various functions for anyone who can use XDC for any purpose. One of the primary uses of XDC coins is for transactions. With enough XDC coins, you can buy and sell services on the platform. This applies to both individuals and businesses. Such transactions are swift and secure. As a DApp developer, you can also build new decentralized applications that can offer solutions ranging from lending and borrowing to supply management and trade finance, which is the network's primary purpose. XDC is also available for trading on several networks. You can swap XDC for Bitcoin or Ethereum and fiat currencies like the US dollar. As the demand for XDC increases and its value increases, you may make a profit by buying low and selling high. If you hold enough XDC, you can become a stakeholder by supporting the network's security as a validator with your staked XDC. Lock your coins up for a certain period and earn more XDC coins as a reward. You can also lend your XDC tokens. This feature is a primary DeFi application of the XDC network. You can use the XDC network to lend your coins to lending platforms such as Aave, Nexo, Compound, or DYDX. XDC price history. Since its launch, XDC has maintained a reasonably upward trajectory except when the entire crypto market has been thrown into a significant depression. So like other cryptocurrencies, it enjoyed the 2017 and 2018 bull runs as its price rose sharply. Its price action would then be subdued for a while. It reached its lowest value at the end of 2019, but later in 2020, it joined the positive run of Bitcoin and other major altcoins as it went upward again. The demand for most cryptocurrencies was at its highest then, and the updates to the XDC network did extraordinary things to help the coin grow in value momentarily. At the time of recording, the price of XDC was currently around 0.027 per coin, and predictions suggest that the occurrence of a significant bullish market will see the coin reach at least 0.10 cents per XDC. All in all, XDC is a surprisingly good project that could one day trump the likes of XRP in the way it applies to traditional finance. Also, the fact that it has B2B application creates a reasonable expectation for how well businesses will come to use XDC for scaling their businesses and getting the most out of every transaction. However, as with any investment, it's essential to do your own research and make informed decisions. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I really hope you learned something. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.